Hey there, how's it going, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny and I'm very happy to see you all here. So in this video we're gonna go ahead and add a rich text editor in Django. You know, rich text editors are like a really functional thing that everybody's supposed to use in their Django blog, Stackoverflow Clone, whatever that you want to do, that you need to type in content and name basically. So you're supposed to use a rich text field instead of just using this normal dummy field over here that doesn't allow you do anything. For example, you want to make this text bold, you can't do that. So there's 2 points using this normal text field. So let's go ahead and make use of the rich text field. And in order to do that, firstly we need to just head over to our terminal and we're gonna break off from this, and I want to clear it with CLS. And after that I just simply want to say pip install Django CK editor. So I'm going to say pip install Django-CK editor, like that. Pip install Django CK editor, and after this it's quite easy. Just hit enter on our keyboard and we should give it a couple of seconds to successfully install. Okay, and as you can see it successfully installs. Now the next thing we want to do is go ahead and run our server again, and we're gonna head back to our models.py. So let's head back to our models.py, and over here you see this is the one that contains this content thing over here. Now we just need to comment it out and we need to add a new one. So it's still gonna be content, but this time around we want to import something nice from here. So we simply want to say from CK editor dot fields we want to import rich text field. Here it's a rich text field. So over here we're gonna say content, then from contents the next thing we're gonna just call is rich text field, just like this. Now what we need to do is just head over to wherever we're gonna have something like this. For example, that should be in question dash answer, and let's locate where we have that form that allows us ask a question. And what we need to do is just come over here, let's see, post answer. This is the form. Let me get rid of that and let's see. Okay, that's the form. So what we want to do is quite simple. We're just gonna say form dot that, but now this time around let's actually list it out separately. So we could say something like, we could say form dot, let's say title, form dot title, or I think it's name, not title. So when we refresh this now, as you can see, we now have this over here, and we also need a label for it. So let me just cut this, and I'm gonna put it at the top. So it is gonna be form dot label dot name. Let's see if that's actually okay. For now, let's just take what we have. Form dot name, and another one we need is form dot content pipe save, just like that. So now when we refresh, what do you notice? We still have this over here, but now we actually want to get the rich text field thing to show up. So let's go ahead and fix it. Okay, and I think we also need to add the same thing over here for the comment. So we need to add it for the comments. I'm just gonna cut that and put this in. So after this, let's go ahead and run our server again. Sorry, we're gonna break off our server and we're gonna make migrations. Then after making migrations, let's just do this one time zone dot now. It says the time and Django to exist. Okay, let's exit from this and let's run migrations again. Let's see what the error is. Okay, it says 1 is going to provide that for us, the dates, budgets are available, so you can do e.g. time zone dot now. So let's just exit and let's head back to this place, and you see it says default is time zone dot now. Okay, we also have this over here. That's actually what we want to use. I don't know why it's throwing that error. So let's just pick migrations, and it says quit and let me do this. Ignore for now, let me handle existing with null myself. Okay, let's use 2 for now. 2, and it does it for us. Now let's migrate, and it's migrated. Then let's run our server again. Okay, after running the server, let's get back to this place and refresh. Okay, we are getting the CK editor with jet error. So let's actually see how we are going to fix this. It says crispy underscore field. Let's get back here to the question answer. This is it. Form dot content save. And what we want to do is quite simple. Just head over to your question underscore detail, and over here where it says question dot content, we just want to add pipe save, and also down here where it says comment dot content, we also want to add pipe save. Okay, and finally we want to come over to our settings.py and install an app named CK editor, just like this. And let's make sure our server is running, and this time around I think it's supposed to work. So let me refresh this now. Okay, and as you can see, it's working perfectly well. So now we can answer a question by simply saying this is a bold and italic and on the line strike through answer. Okay, so with this now we can make this one bold, and as you can see it's bold. We can make this one italic, and we can underline this one, and finally we can strike through this one, just like that. And we can even make this one a link if we want. So we can make it a link, www.youtube.com/c/Desphixs, just like this. And we hit OK, and let's say we want to, yes, it's okay. Let's say we want to change this to watch now, something like that. Click OK, and now when we post answer, okay, it says we should fill out this field. Let's just fill out anything. Then now when we post that answer over here, you see it actually shows exactly what we have. So it says this is a bold, and as you can see, it's bold and italic and underline strike through, and it says watch now. When you even click on this now, it will open up YouTube with the exact link that we inserted in there for you. So as you can see, that's pretty good, and that's actually what we wanted from this. And let's try adding a new question, and let's see if it also has it. Okay, this is supposed to have it. Let's refresh this page. Let's see. Okay, I don't really know what's wrong with this. Let's actually get back to the models.py, and let's make sure this over here is content. This is content, and in question dash detail, let's see, question dash detail, question dot content has a pipe save, and let's also see object.user.title created. Okay, I think that should be it. Let's just hard refresh this and let's see. As you can see, it's actually working perfectly well, and that's exactly what we wanted to implement. So you can go ahead and implement this in your blog posts, whatever, in your blog post area that allows you to reply to comments, to make post and all that. And it's quite easy and not long. This video was really a really short one, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it and learned something new. And if you did, don't forget to drop a like on this video, consider subscribing, and also drop a comment. It really helps my channel grow, and it means a lot to me. And I hope I'll see you guys in the next video. We're gonna make a search bar work, so let's go there.